everyone, and welcome to my second art vlog video thing. Thank you to everyone who watched my first vlog, and I had some really good feedback from it, so I thought I would do another one, and I'll continue to do them, but I won't do them like every week or whatever, because I won't have enough to show you. My life's not that exciting. But yeah, I thought I've got a few things to show you this time. So I've been working on a few pieces, and the lion picture, which I started in my last vlog, I've now finished it. So I thought I'd just quickly show you. This is the finished piece. I've also uploaded a time lapse of this, and also a little tutorial on how to do like sections of the fur. So yeah, at some point in February I'm going to get some prints done of this, and some like put it onto like mugs, coasters and like things like that. So that will be exciting. And I've also completed a little Easter piece ready for Easter. It's not really that much, but just a little something. So I did something simple. This was done with coloured pencils. Did two little chicks. And I thought one idea that I had was I could do like a mug and have one chick on either side of the mug, so I could scan them in separately, and then you can have one on each side. And also I'll make some like Easter cards and things like that, but that won't be quite yet because Easter is not yet, but I'll probably order them at the same time as the other ones. And also I filmed a video which I'm going to upload probably, well, when you'll be watching this, it'll be the Sunday after. So I've done a do's and don'ts video of how to draw a dog's eye in graphite. So this is the bad one. So this is the like don'ts one. So I've done like, I'm going to talk about things which you should avoid doing when drawing in graphite realistically. So that's the don't version, and then this is the do's version. And that's them side by side. So you can see this one's a lot more bold and stands out a lot more than this one. But yeah, I filmed that yesterday, so then I can edit that probably this afternoon, and then that will be ready to upload. That was just quite a good idea. And also just a quick mention, I bought a Valentine's card from Pintata Designs. I don't know, sorry if I've pronounced that wrong, but I'll put the link for her YouTube channel and her Instagram in the description below. I'm not going to show you the card that I bought because my boyfriend watches this, and the card's for my boyfriend, so I won't show that. But because I was her 70th Etsy sale, I got a free original drawing. Well, it's not drawing, I think it's a watercolour painting, but it's really cute. Still in the cellophane, but that's what it looks like, so it's really cute. Just thought I'd share that with you. And then in there just got her business card and a little thank you note, which is really cute. So yeah, go check her out. I'll put her links in the description. I'm going to go now downstairs and scan in my line drawing, and I'll show you how I do that as well. I'll show you how I scan in my drawings. So this is the scanner that I have. It's the Epson Perfection V600 photo scanner, and it's just an A4 scanner. I was recommended this by a lot of other artists a couple years ago, so that's why I bought this one. And then I've just got the program up, because you have to plug it into your laptop or computer, and then I just got the program up on my computer, and this is what it looks like. So what I do is basically, because this is bigger than A4, as you can see it's too big for the scanner, how I do ones like this is I put it, do one side, and then I scan it, and then I turn it around and I scan the other side, and then I put it together on Photoshop. So I'm just going to scan that now, and then I'll get back to you in a minute. So I've opened up a new project on Photoshop and I'm making it 12 by 9 inches because that's how big I want it to be. And then press create. Wait for it to load. Here we go. And then, it's hard to do this while I'm holding the camera. Let me find somewhere to put you, 1 second. Okay, you can kind of see there, but yeah. And then I'll drag the files in, the 2 scanned files, which are saved as a JPEG. So that's one there. And then the other one. Oh, hang on, I need to. I hate computers. Yeah, here we go. Drag it in. And then I need to rotate it because it's upside down for some reason. You have to be so specific, it's really annoying. Could have done this an easier way, but there we go. And then, there we go. And then to match it up exactly, let me put on the move tool. You can use this, but as you can see here, it's got this line here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that line where it joins. And the way to stop that is to then scan, so you scanned one side and then the other, and then you scan the middle section as well, which I'm going to do now. And then it all will piece together and it will look like you've scanned it all in at once. So I'm just going to do that quickly now. Okay, there we go. So now scan the 3 images in and put them together in Photoshop. When you wouldn't be able to tell, it took me a little while because lining it up is a nightmare, but there we go. If you'd like me to do a full tutorial on how to do this and like screen record and explain step by step of how to scan in an image and put it together in Photoshop, please let me know and I'll be happy to make that for you all. So yeah, if you would like to see a step-by-step tutorial of how I scan my artwork in and piece it together in Photoshop, please let me know and I'll like screen record everything and explain step by step how to do everything. Then please let me know and I'll be happy to do that. I just thought I'll show you these quickly, which is I've painted last week and I filmed some of the process of painting some of them, which I'll insert a clip in a minute. So they're little Valentine's decorations. So there's 3 different ones. These are all hand painted using acrylic paint and then I use varnish to seal it on. So I've got these little flamingo ones, penguin ones, and then this one's been the best seller so far. And it's just little swans, they're little baby. So yeah, they're all available to buy on my Etsy shop and on my website. I'll put the link below in the description, which I always do anyway, but if you would like to purchase one, I've got plenty of those in the shop now. I'll insert a clip now of me painting some of them, which I did film last week, but I'll put it in now for you. going to end the vlog here now. I haven't got much else to show you, nothing really exciting this week other than I'm probably going to be starting a new piece tomorrow. If you want to be see what that is when I post it, it will be posted on my Instagram, which I've linked in the description below. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's been really short, but hopefully the next one will be longer because that will be in February when all my prints arrive and my mugs, my coasters, all that sort of thing once they've arrived. So that will be an exciting one. But yeah, thank you so much and I'll see you next Sunday in my next video. Bye!